It can be hard to manage all your USB ports, and to make sure you have space for everything that you need. But it's okay, no reason to be blue, because today we're dongling away all your problems with the help of our new USB-C hub from Ugreen. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your instructions, and then your USB hub. And that's it. The hub plugs into your computer with a USB-C cable for the fastest connection. On one side, you have a HDMI port, as well as a USB-C port. On the other side, you have a USB-C port, as well as two USB ports. Then my favorite feature, on the end, you have a micro and normal SD card reader. Now, as far as I'm aware, all computers come with USB ports, but they don't all have SD card readers. I personally don't have an SD card slot, and have to use a converter to be able to read my data from my cards. Then I have to use a special micro SD card converter inside of my converter to read my micro SD cards. If I misplace either of these, I can't transfer data. This is so annoying. Now I have everything I need on one hub. I can plug in my standard SD cards, I can directly plug in my micro cards, and I can even plug a flash drive into the hub and transfer directly from SD card to flash drive, all from the same device. And it's also small enough that it's going to be perfect to keep in my camera bag and take with me. If I'm ever out on a video shoot and need to transfer data, I can turn any computer with a USB-C port into a useful workstation. You can charge devices, hook up extra USB accessories, plug in a second monitor, and transfer up to 10 gigabytes per second. Can pump out 4K display. You can add ports to your laptop, your desktop, tablet, or even Switch or Steam Deck. I may use this for data transfer, but the options are endless and allow you to customize whatever device into a strong workstation. It even has a useful pass-through charging mode. It has 100 watts of power, so you can keep your device charged while you're dongling. Laptops nowadays are made slimmer and lighter. They cut out extra ports, and you could be really limited. So if you're like me and have a device that is lacking and looking to maximize your productivity, this USB hub might just be what you need. So unleash your workstation and bring some ease of use to your area with the Ugreen USB hub. Till next time, I'm going to go effortlessly transfer some data. See ya!